And got lost in space. This is a very cray game. I guess it's kind of like Nyan Cat, but it's a little bit different. And yeah, start the music. You can hear that. And so let's play. It's basically you get to choose all of these. So I think I'm gonna start with Universe, and we'll see how far I can get. Oh my gosh, wait, my brother did this. Oh my gosh, this looks so wrong. It has so much things. Whee! That dog, don't touch that dog. I still have a cold, so I might sound a little different in there. I love the music. This cat is not cute at all. Milk. Okay, let's get some milk for you. Do you want milk? Oh gosh, I didn't know that was bad. Oh no, I almost fell. Run. Get up here. Oh, here's a lot of milk. Nyan. Oh my gosh, yeah. Aww. I wanted him Nyan Cat. That's a shame. 9,000. Woo! Yeah, we made a different universe. Oh my gosh. It's Star Wars fame. There is a new Star Wars movie out. I think. Zero is my government type. Okay. That's so cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that background. I'm being distracted by the background now. Nyan Cat can't fly. It's very sad. You should be down there battling because you look like a Star Wars cat or something like that. I'm a pro at this. Now the game, oh my gosh. The game that some of you guys wanted to play called Lion Play, I couldn't get onto it. I'm sorry about that, but I'll play sometime on a different game. I'll play a different game, so, oh my gosh. Bubble Nyan! Oh yeah, you can go like this. No! Oh, poor Nyan Cat. Oh my gosh, no. No, I don't want you, stupid thing. Okay, guys, I think that's what I'm going to be doing for today. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. And also comment down below what game you want to see me play next. I haven't played a lot of games, and I want you guys to tell me what, like, maybe a high school story, like, something like that. I'm still a wee bit sick, so I'm sorry about that. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to pop that like button and subscribe. Bye.